Hey, this is Brett with Fathom Realty. I'm out here at one of my houses that we just finished up. We're going to put this on the market. We already have it leased. So we have a marketing system that gets that done for clients. But if you're a realtor and you want to get into investment real estate, super crucial. I mean, I can't tell you, there's a lot of opportunities there, but you got to know how to do those opportunities. You know how to. I've done over 1,000 plus properties. I'm very busy right now with investment real estate, but you have to have all the different stuff set up in order to be successful at it. And as a real estate agent, you need that residual income. You need that consistent income. You need it. So when people say they sold 150 million with their team, well, how much do they make? You know, so you need to check all that out with buying investment real estate, having clients, doing the different stuff that I do. Check out all these videos on some of the stuff that I do on my Brett's Realty group. But I'm starting a coaching program. I'm going to show you how to set that up. Set up an investment real estate business, be very successful at it, and make multiple six figures in it. Call me. I'm Brett, 216-703-5740. I've been investing since '85. I've been a realtor for 23 years. 216-703-5740 with Fathom Realty. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks. I'm going to go look at another house, but again, this one's rented. It's beautiful. It's nice. Let me show you how to do that. It's a great business, and you'll love being a realtor. It's a more consistent income. Thanks. Have a great day.